Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you guys one of my favorite moisturizer cream for face. This is the Stratia liquid gold moisturizer. Currently I'm using this, and when I start using, and I just feel amazing because the cream I was looking for, I think this one is exactly one. So I love this texture and the way the cream is not too thick and is very lightweight, and when I put on my face it absorbs right away, but it doesn't feel like dry. So I think I'm gonna continue this cream for a long time. When I just ordered this, I didn't know this cream I'm gonna like that much. This is Stratia Liquid Gold, a lightweight skin strengthening moisturizer. This is a lightweight but very powerful moisturizer that heals, hydrates, strengthens, and soothes. This liquid gold moisturizer is a one of good skin saving product that belongs in every skincare routine. It's formulated with ceramides, cholesterol, and fatty acids, the three main ingredients that keeps face healthy, clear, and resilient. This is the liquid gold moisturizer cream. Look, this is so light. It's not like thick and not heavy. This is very light, and when we put in the skin, it absorbs very quickly, and it's so natural. Apply this moisturizer like as a thin layer morning and evening on the skin. This liquid gold is great for all skin types, but works especially for dehydrates or over exfoliated skin. This is a great moisturizer whenever skin feels damaged or tight. This moisturizer is a lifesaver. This one of best remedy also. Liquid gold repaired skin barrier. Skin get benefit from using liquid gold. This miracle product built the skin's renewal process, dramatically improve the appearance of brightness and tone, and support collagen production and helping to minimize the visible signs of sun damage, aging, and blemishes. It's a great morning and evening moisturizer, especially in the winter. Also, this one doesn't have like extra fragrance. So if you want to try this one, you can check it out. Thank you for watching.